This video quickly puts you through on how to hide and unhide email in Gmail. Let's just get right into it.
First is to tap on your Gmail application. Once the Gmail opens, scroll to the email you want to hide. In this case, I want to hide the email I received from Scott. Long press on the email icon, and in this case, the icon or profile icon is X, so some use image. This will make it to be selected. Alright, and you will see some icons at the top. Tap on the three dots, then select mute. With this email is now muted. What of a day maybe you want to unmute it? What do you need to do? You have to open your inbox as well, where you see search in the mail, search email, tap there. On tapping there, type this is column column muted. Alright? Then after typing that, tap on search. This will show you the email that is muted. Long press on it again until it is selected. Tap on the three dots at the top. Select Move to. Choose the location, which is probably primary. So I will tap on primary. And this is moved to the primary. So if I go back, I will see the same email in the inbox where it was.
If this video helps, consider subscribing, hit the like button, and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you and see you some other time.